Wow, everybody, take a look. This is a waterfall. 瀑布. And it's very beautiful, right? 很美, very beautiful. And have you ever seen a waterfall? Maybe you have seen a larger one. This is a smaller one. Very small. 很小. But it's okay, you can still get the feeling of a waterfall, right? I really like the plants. You see, water is from the top of the hill, and with those trees. Wow. The tree roots. 树根 tree roots. Very interesting. And they have a sign telling people not to climb. No hiking. 禁止攀爬. So no climbing. Everybody, yeah, you have to be safe. Alright guys, I just ride along the road and see something, then I take a photo and record a video to teach you some Chinese. Again, thanks for the gift at the comment section. I hope you enjoy learning. Talk to you next time.